One of the most common types of chemistry problems one runs across is determining the BAC, or the blood alcohol level of an individual. Now this page has all of the chemical equations that we will be using to solve the problems, and we're going to divide the blood alcohol problems into three types. So we have, while crooked, we have all of the formulas that we will need in order to address the three problem types. So let's start looking at how we can phrase blood alcohol problems. Our first BAC problem has a 120-pound woman consuming 3 drinks. Each of the drinks contains 1 shot of 80 proof vodka. What is her blood alcohol level? Each mixed drink is assumed to contain 1 jigger of 1.5 ounce vodka. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to calculate the mass of alcohol. So to calculate the mass of alcohol, we're going to use this equation right up here. And so the mass of alcohol is the number of grams of alcohol. We're going to take a constant of 0.11 times the ounces of liquor times the proof. So we have 0.11. We notice that we had 3 drinks. Each drink was 1.5 ounces. So 3 times 1.5, we get 4.5. We'll also notice that we have 80 proof alcohol. So here's our 80 proof. We do our math, and we get 39.6 grams for our mass of alcohol. Next, we must calculate the body mass of the individual in kilograms. Now remember that since we're in the United States, we typically express body mass as pounds, so we will take our body weight and we will divide our body weight by 2.2 pounds. Our woman is said to be 120 pounds, so we will take 120, divide it by 2.2, and we will get 55 kilograms for the body mass. Volume of distribution varies between men and women. We have a woman, so we will use 0.6 as our standard for women. Finally, we will take our information and we will plug it into our formula. We have 0.10 as our standard. We'll multiply that times our mass of alcohol divided by our volume of distribution times our body mass. So here we have our 0.10 times our mass of alcohol divided by our volume of distribution, our body mass, and we get 0.120. Now remember that 0.08 is the limit for DWI, so this person. Here we have our second example, or our second type of blood alcohol problems. We have a 170-pound person who eliminates alcohol from their body at a rate of what per hour? In this case, we are going to use our rate of elimination. Now this is a set formula where we take 0.01 plus 0.014 times the weight divided by 300. Now that's a standard. So we have 0.01 plus 0.014. We had a 170-pound person divided by 300. We do our math, and we would get that they eliminate 0.0179 grams of alcohol per milliliter per hour. This last type of problem that we're going to look at deals with beer and wine. Now read this statement right across here. You see, beer and wine does not use proof in their formula. So when we calculate our mass of alcohol, we must tweak our formula just a bit. And so our mass of alcohol with beer and wine will be using this formula right here, where we will take 0.23 times our ounces of alcohol times the percentage. So here's our problem. A 200-pound man has 4 beers. Beer has a 4% alcohol, and it's 12 ounces. He drinks these 4 beers in 1 hour. What is his blood alcohol level? Well, we had 4 beers, and so we multiply 4 beers, and that's supposed to say 12. but 4 beers times 12 and we would get 48 ounces. So our mass of alcohol would be 0.23 times our 48 ounces times 4% alcohol, or 44.16 for our mass of alcohol. The body mass, we have a 200-pound man. We're going to divide it by 2.2 because 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. We get a body mass of 90.91 kilograms. This is a man, so if we come back up here, our volume of distribution will be 0.7. We're going to now take our information and plug it into this formula. So 0.1 times our mass of alcohol divided by our volume of distribution times our body mass. We get an answer of 0.069, and no, the man is not over the legal limit. And so these are the 3 types of chemistry BAC problems that you will see on your homework and you will see on your future test. If you have any questions, feel free to drop by my classroom and I'll be glad to review over these problems with you.